I am Dr. Prerna Kohli, a clinical psychologist and the founder of MindTribe. At MindTribe, we provide affordable counseling, support groups, communities, workshops, and e-learning for the improvement of your mental health. Today, we will be talking about a very crucial yet interesting self-monitoring exercise that is thought-stopping. The thought-stopping technique is a powerful technique for managing intrusive or negative thoughts that can often hinder our well-being and progress. By learning to recognize and to interrupt these thoughts, we can regain control over our minds and redirect our focus toward more positive and productive thinking. The technique typically involves 3 main steps. Awareness. Individuals are encouraged to develop mindfulness and awareness of their thoughts, recognizing when unwanted thoughts arise. Interruption. Once an unwanted thought is noticed, a specific signal or cue is used to interrupt the thought. That can be an imagined stop sign, a verbal cue, e.g., stop or cancel, or a physical action like snapping a rubber band on the wrist. Replacement. After interrupting the unwanted thought, individuals are further instructed to replace it with a more positive, adaptive, or neutral thought. That may involve engaging with positive visualization, reciting affirmations, or redirecting attention to a specific object or activity. In this tutorial, we will explore these steps in detail along with relevant examples to help you understand and apply this method effectively. Let's start by exploring these steps. Step 1. Recognize the intrusive thought. The first step in thought stopping is to become aware of the intrusive thought as soon as it arises. Pay close attention to your thought patterns and notice any negative or unhelpful thoughts that frequently occur. It could be self-doubt, anxiety, or any recurring negative thought that affects your well-being. For example, imagine you're preparing for an important presentation, and the thought "I'm going to mess this up" keeps popping into your mind. Step 2. Mental alarm activation. Once you recognize the intrusive thought, activate a mental alarm to create a sharp break in the flow of your thinking. This alarm could be visualized as a red stop sign, a loud buzzer, or any symbol that signifies an immediate halt to the thought process. For example, as soon as you notice the thought "I'm going to mess this up," imagine a bright red stop sign flashing in your mind. Step 3. Shout stop. Internal or external. Simultaneously with the activation of the mental alarm, say or shout stop. Either internally or externally. This verbal interruption serves as a powerful cue to halt the negative thought in its tracks. For example, after visualizing the red stop sign, say the word "stop" forcefully in your mind or out loud. Step 4. Replace the intrusive thought. Immediately after shouting stop, replace the intrusive thought with a positive or affirming statement that counteracts the negativity. This step is crucial in redirecting your mind's pathway toward a more constructive and uplifting direction. For example, replace the negative thought "I'm going to mess this up" with a positive affirmation like "I am well prepared and capable of delivering an excellent presentation." Step 5. Engage in positive distraction. To reinforce the interruption of the intrusive thought, engage in an activity that captures your attention and shifts your focus away from the negative thinking. That could involve doing a quick physical exercise, listening to music, solving a puzzle, or engaging in any other enjoyable task. For example, take a brief walk, listen to your favorite energizing song, or engage in a creative hobby that diverts your attention away from the negative thought. Step 6. Repeat and reinforce. Repetition is the key in mastering the thought-stopping technique. Practice this technique consistently whenever intrusive thoughts arise. With time and perseverance, it will become easier to identify and stop negative thoughts, allowing you to cultivate a more positive and empowered mindset. For example, practice the thought-stopping technique every time you catch yourself thinking negatively, reinforcing positive replacements, and engaging in positive distractions. Now that you are familiar with this form of self-monitoring, let's use some more examples for clarity. Imagine you're at work and see yourself constantly worrying about meeting deadlines and the quality of your work. Whenever you notice these anxious thoughts creeping in, you can mentally shout "stop" and visualize a red stop sign. Then, replace the worrisome thoughts with a positive affirmation like "I am capable and prepared to handle my tasks effectively." Or, if you catch yourself engaging in self-critical thoughts such as "I'm a failure" or "I can't do anything right," practice the thought-stopping technique. Immediately say "stop." To interrupt the negative thought pattern, visualize the stop sign, and replace the negative self-talk with a self-affirming statement like "I am capable of learning and growing from my experiences." With this, we come to the end of this tutorial. Also, you need to keep in mind that it is crucial to approach this technique with care. In case of the right guidance and help, you can approach a mental health practitioner. I hope you enjoyed and imbibed the learnings. Wish you success in all your endeavors. I will see you in the upcoming tutorials by MindTribe. Stay focused, stay healthy. Take care.